Happy spring, pre-K friends! Here's another spring book Miss Maria will read you, and it is titled Spring Blossoms. The author is Carol Gerber, and it's illustrated by Leslie Evans. So Ms. Evans made the pictures. Spring Blossoms. Spring is bursting out all over. The sun is up. It's warm. Let's go. Trees so bare and plain in winter are dressed up for their yearly show. Look at all their buds and blossoms. Some are pale, some really bright, proudly wearing nature's colors. Spring blossoms sparkle in the light. Do you hear the rhymes? We just rhymed bright and light. And look at those beautiful blossoms. White dogwood wears a frosty crown. Its limbs spread wider than its height. Crabapple, too, is short and wide. Its fragrant flowers are small and white. If the flowers are fragrant, that means they smell really nice. Magnolia buds are opening, revealing blooms that glow like gems. Cherry flowers grow in bundles, like small bouquets on long, stout stems. So they're kind of short, their stems. And aren't they beautiful? Like a big cluster or big bundle of flowers. The white oak bears two kinds of blooms. Male flowers droop, they're greenish gold. The female blooms are small and red, both open as new leaves unfold. So there's boy flowers and girl flowers, and there are the little blooms. On the beach, male flowers cluster. They're round and wear green fuzzy suits. Female flowers, small and spiky, grow near the leaves along new shoots. So this little rhyme started with on the beach, but it's spelled differently because we're not at the beach by the water. We're on the beech tree. So that's a beech tree. There's the limb of the tree, and the male flowers cluster. They're round and wear green fuzzy suits. So which ones are the male ones? Right, the green fuzzy ones over here. And the female flowers, small and spiky. So those are spiky, grow near the leaves along new shoots. Red maple tree reflects its name. Both buds and flowers wear red clothes. The red bud tree does not look red. Its flowers are a pinkish rose. And they're both beautiful, don't you think? Could you tell I like these blooms? I do. I like spring blossoms. White pines, male flowers, small and yellow, grow in clusters near branch tips. Female flowers bloom weeks later. They're tinged with red like slender lips. Male blossoms grow on balsam fir beneath its twigs as we can see. Their pollen blows to female buds that grow new cones high on the tree. So this is what happens in spring to evergreen trees. They do get little buds. Suddenly the tree bends towards us. A warm spring rain begins to fall. Wind sets loose a storm of blossoms. We race around to catch them all. So all the beautiful flowers that were on the tree, when the rain comes and it gets windy, all the blooms fall off. And here are some of the trees that we learned about, some of the blossoms. The white dogwood, the crabapple, magnolia, cherry, white oak, American beech, red maple, red bud, white pine, and balsam fir. So take a look at these, and maybe you could go outside on a little spring walk and then see if you could find any of these trees. The end.